No watching.
Okay.
Almost na.
Okay, I will not watch.
Top one almost na.
Almost na. 1, 2. Oh, okay, I'll close my eyes. I'll sleep first. Upside down.
Upside down. Upside down.
Okay.
Circle.
Huh? Is this circle?
Heart.
Heart. Very good. Hi guys, this is Jill and I'm with
Zailey.
and welcome back to our
Dana.
For today's video, we are going to do an activity that is perfect for your little ones who are trying to learn how to count. And this will also familiarize them on how these numbers look like. So, stick around.
Watch and learn.
So, this is what I made to make it easier and enjoyable for Zailey. Okay? So, Zailey, first is you're going to remove all the hearts and put it inside the plastic container. Very small, okay. Very small. This one is big.
Other one is big.
Yeah.
Other one is big and other one is small.
Okay, so now, we already removed all the hearts. So this time we're going to count first, Zailey. Okay, you know how to count already? Very good. So let's count. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Okay, so this one, what number is this, Zailey? Number. What number is this? Sit down. 1.
1.
1. Very good. Okay, put one heart.
Ano count that one, the one
Yes, you count
like
that one. Okay, so here you put one heart. Okay, right. Oh, okay. You choose another one. You like the small heart? Okay. Okay. There. Very good. Okay, next, this one is number 2. Very good. So put. Count. Okay, go.
1.
Very good. Okay, put 2 hearts. Yay, good job. Next, what number is this?
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Put 3 hearts. Okay, you stick it properly. There. Okay, very good. Next, what number is this? Again. What number is this? Count first. Okay.
1, 2, 3, Four.
Very good. 4. So how many hearts? 4 hearts. Very good.
4 hearts.
Next, what number is this?
5
5. Very good. How many hearts?
hearts.
5 hearts. Very good.
Hearts. Big and small.
Big and small.
The one the book.
What's the color of the heart?
Brown.
Red. Very good.
It's big and small. The book.
The book. What number is this? Come, start here.
6.
6. Very good. On here. Wow, you know already, Zailey.
Oh, that's
Okay, get 20. Get 6 hearts.
I like the 20
Okay.
and this 21.
6. Very good. Next, this one. What number is this? So what number is this? You count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Very good. 7. How many hearts?
7.
7 hearts. Okay, next. What number is this? Number
3.
2 circles. What number?
1,
Okay, count.
2, 3, 4, 5,
No, 5.
6, 7, 8.
8. Very good. How many hearts?
8.
8. Oops, careful. Fill it again. One by one. Okay, count.
No watching.
Okay.
Almost na.
Okay, I will not watch.
Top one almost na.
Almost na. Okay, 8. Very good. Okay, good job, lady. Okay, how about this one? What number is this? Number... Okay, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Very good. How many hearts?
9.
1, 2. Oh, okay, I'll first one. I'll sleep first. Okay, go.
1.
Oh, okay. Yay! Your heart is Bali. Upside down.
Upside down. Upside down.
Okay. Count this.
Daddy said,
Wait. Count. Ready?
close your eyes.
Close. Okay, ready? Count.
1, no, follow this.
Okay, go.
1,
Louder.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
9.
10.
10. Very good. How many hearts? 10 hearts.
Close your eyes.
It's nice. You like it? What shape is this again? Oh. What shape? Circle?
No,
What shape is this?
circle.
Huh? Is this circle?
Heart.
Heart. Very good. Hey, very good. So, we're done. Yay! Good job, Zailey. Very good. Yay! So, did you have fun? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, mommy?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, this activity will enhance the cognitive skills as well as the motor skills of your child. So why don't you do this at home, right, Zailey? Yes. So watch out for more activities with us. Don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe, click more button then go.
bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.